Unraveling, Retracing My Steps, a guide to understanding and using this phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the English language and uncover the meaning behind common phrases and expressions. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, retracing my steps. It's a phrase you might have heard in conversations, movies, or books, but what does it really mean? Stay tuned as we break it down for you. The phrase, retracing my steps, is used when someone is going back over their actions or the path they took, usually in an attempt to find something lost or to understand how a particular situation came about. It's a metaphorical expression, drawing a picture of a person literally stepping back through the path they've previously walked. This can be both a physical act, like going back to the places you visited when you lost your keys, or a mental process, where you think back over what you did or said. While the exact origin of the phrase is difficult to pinpoint, it's clear that the idea of retracing one's steps has been around for a long time. It is rooted in the natural human behavior of going back over what we've done to find mistakes or lost items. This phrase beautifully encapsulates a common strategy for problem solving, whether it's in detective work, scientific research, or everyday life. Let's look at some examples to understand how and when to use this phrase. 1. After realizing I lost my wallet, I started retracing my steps, visiting all the places I had been to that day. 2. In trying to solve the mystery, the detective began retracing the victim's steps on the night of the crime. 3. Feeling like I had made a mistake in my calculations, I began retracing my steps to find where I went wrong. These examples show that the phrase can be used in various contexts, from everyday situations to more dramatic or critical scenarios. Understanding and being able to use the phrase, retracing my steps, enriches your language skills, allowing you to describe a process of reflection and investigation clearly and concisely. It's a phrase that can be used in both formal and informal settings, making it versatile for conversations, storytelling, academic writing, and more. We hope this exploration of the phrase, retracing my steps, has been enlightening and that you can now use it confidently in your own conversations and writing. Remember, English is full of such expressive phrases that can add depth and clarity to our communication. Keep learning and exploring with us, and don't forget to retrace your steps if you ever feel lost in the language. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.